You only get one first impression. This saying cannot be more accurate when it comes to onboarding newly hired sales reps. At Jive Software, our goal from the beginning is to provide new sales reps with an informative and smooth integration into our organization to reduce ramp-up time to effectiveness. This process is done using our own Jive internal platform, which we refer to as BrewSpace. Using BrewSpace, we have created a comprehensive new hire experience for new sales reps called the Sales Onboarding 30, 60, 90-day program. Since the inception of this program, we've already seen some positive results, including, but not limited to, the acceleration of new sales reps' time to productivity. This is demonstrated through the first individual deal closed. We've seen new sales reps quickly adopting and understanding the Jive sales cycle, as well as our corporate goals. We've also seen the reduction of sales reps' turnover through increased confidence to achieve sales targets, and so much more. I'd like to quickly walk through the structure of our program, followed by a demonstration of a day in the life of a new sales hire. We created a role-specific onboarding program for each sales function. For us, that includes sales development reps, corporate sales development reps, field sales reps, and sales engineers. Each sales function will be guided through a separate learning experience to ensure that they are prepared for the needs of that specific sales role. This comprehensive program consists of videos, self-paced lessons, documents, presentations, interactive projects, and assignments and assessments. We've also included a gamification component to the program, allowing sales new hires to automatically receive awards, badges, and prizes throughout the program. Lastly, there are WebEx and in-person workshops that are delivered as sales reps get to certain stages of the sales onboarding 30, 60, 90-day program. I'd like to quickly call out that even our in-person components of this sales onboarding program, like the sales graduation workshop, are intertwined with and executed on our Jive internal implementation, BrewSpace. This includes sign up for the live sessions, pre and post follow-up content, and the location where sales reps can connect with their onboarding peers. This is an incredible place to collaborate with peers experiencing similar transitions as one another. Here is our top-level overview of the program. We've designed it as a themed program with sub-themes for each week. As an example, weeks 1 through 4 are focused on the Jive value and Jive products. Weeks 5 through 8 are focused on the Jive sales process, and weeks 9 through 12 are designed around the sales graduation workshop. Now that you have seen the basic structure of the program, let's walk through a day in the life of a new sales rep. As part of the day one HR onboarding process, a new hire sales rep will be directed to a quick introduction video and a link to the Sales Onboarding 30, 60, 90-day program. The intro video walks through the process for a sales rep to get started, including creating their own checklist, bookmarking it, and more, which I'll walk through in a second. From the link, a new sales rep will then select their specific role. For this example, I'm going to pretend that I'm a field sales representative and will select FSR. I will then follow the simple directions on the top to get started. As a reminder, this will also be highlighted in the intro video. Clicking on the first icon automatically creates my own personal onboarding checklist. Step 2 mentions to add my name, so I'll type in Gabe Sweet, and Step 3 says Save Your Checklist. Take note that this is now my own document, so any edits that I make will not affect anyone else. Now I will scroll to the bottom of the document and click Update. Notice that the location and categories are already pre-selected, making it easy for me, as a new hire, to not make any mistakes when saving. As the intro video and the week 1 introduction both mention, I'm going to bookmark my checklist, as this will be a resource that I use quite often during the first few months at Jive. Now I can quickly access my document from the magnifying glass on the top right of the page moving forward. Now my document is saved and I can start working through the Sales Onboarding 30, 60, 90-day program. So let's get started by clicking on the Sales Onboarding Week 1 intro video. This video provides a full overview of the materials and information that will be covered in Week 1. Once I finish the video, I'll go back to my checklist and continue down the line. As prompted in the Week 1 video, I will also add the date completed when I finish any of these documents or assignments. This program is designed to be self-paced and very intuitive for a sales rep to walk through. Upon completion of the assessment section of each week, points will be rewarded, and most importantly, the recently hired sales rep will be one step closer to becoming a stellar asset to your company. As a quick recap of the content covered in Week 1, A sales rep will have signed up for company benefits, learned about our company history, learned about the different ways to connect, communicate, and collaborate at Jive, will have gotten access to the necessary sales tools, as well as edited their LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social selling tools. Additionally, upon completion of all of that, they will have quickly completed the assignment at the end of week one to move on to week two of the sales onboarding 30, 60, 90-day program. At Jive Software, we have found a solution to onboarding that helps new sales reps feel supported, get the information needed at the right time during their ramp, and most importantly, prepare them for their roles and success at our company.